Nothing slows down account approval more than missing paperwork. But the good news, you don't need to stress about it. Here's a quick way to prep. Make a simple checklist of what processors usually ask for: your ID, articles of incorporation, avoided check, your website URL, and product descriptions. With this ready, you will avoid the back and forth delays that drag out approval. This simple checklist shows you the basics, but the catch is every processor has slightly different requirements, and missing even one detail can stall your approval. That's where EasyPay Direct steps in. Their new client specialist actually walk you through document submission step by step, so nothing gets overlooked. And with features like recurring billing already built into their platform, you can get set up once and scale smoothly without technical overwhelm. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. Their onboarding support makes sure you're fully prepared before your application even hits a bank's desk. So instead of guessing what paperwork you will need, you can get it right the first time. Hit the link in the description to get started with EasyPay Direct today.